What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy. At nandito tayo ngayon sa may Lusopit Community Center. There you go. At meron ditong hey, how are you guys? Yeah, so meron ditong Filipino Annual Music Festival. At ito yung pang 5th year nila, boys and girls. At tara, puntahan natin kung anong meron dito. There you go. Wow.
Alright, thank you very much. We have another set later, okay? And if your metabolism is faster than how it is.
Kuya Richard, hello po. Thank you, thank you. You know? Welcome.
Di mo ako nakita sumayaw. Sumayaw ako dun, ang doon.
Kanina? Ayan, pasok na. Hello po. Ate.
Everything.
Pinoy ako, ang title nito. And if you know the song, please join us. Yeah. Alright. And lahat tayo'y mayroong pagkakaiba. Sabi pala ay makikita na iba-iba ang gustuhan. Isang pagkukuhan kung sino ka man
So natapos na kami sa Filipino community event, boys and girls. At kung nakita nyo yung live, pinasok ko lang ng konti kasi nakalimutan kong mag-video na buo kami. So dumaan muna kami dito kay Ona Girl. Ayan o, busy si Ona Girl. Uy! Ayun o. What's up? Sandwich. Ayan. Let's go na, let's go. So, ayan. At dahil sayang naman ang mga damit namin kung uuwi na kami. Let's go to Andante.
Okay, ang hindi kumanta, hindi kakain ng lechon.
Yay! That's it! Pasok na. Sige na. May deal kasi boys and girls. Ayan.
Dalawa sila.
Ayan na, umalis na. Sige na. Ayun, tumalo na siya.
Saan yung isa nakahiga oh?
Ayun nga, isa. Ayun oh. Tara. Dito muna tayo na yun eh. What's up boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy. Alas 6 na ng gabi. At napakainit. At saktong-sakto yung panahon sa pagbabarbecue ni Kuya Ross. Ayan, pagka ganyan Ross, ano ba yung mga niluluto mo?
Mang inasal.
Mang inasal? Ayun oh. Yun, hinaan mo konti yung apoy mo kasi chicken yan. Yan, pag chicken, mahina lang daw apoy. At dito kami ngayon, gabi. Magdi-dinner, bakit? Ha? Wala yan, normal yan. Oh, yung ano mo. Crown mo, crown.
Kasi ate may pupunta dito na yun.
Ngayon, sino kasama?
Si Kuya Paulo.
Yan na. Naglalaglagan na boys and girls yung mga crab apple dito sa harapan namin. Yung iba natanggal na nila. Ayan, so, hi! Gigilitan lang natin para madaling maluto yung loob boys. Hi! Si Ross nagtimpla nito ha. Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa nito. Sa tingin mo ba okay itong lasa mo, Ross?
Nakalimutan ko nga lagyan ng lime eh. Pero nilagyan ko kanina.
Ano sa'yo?
Iced vanilla latte.
Yun o, ice vanilla latte. Sama ka? Let's go. Tim Hortons.
Barbie na donut.
Ano ba naman yan? Ang bango, Ross. Amoy na amoy dito. Yung pag-iihaw mo dyan, oh. Uy, naka-stage ka pa, ha? Order mo na yun?
Yung na-order ko, ay yung na-order mo?
Ikaw, order mo.
Ay yung... Okay.
Gulo naman mag-video ni Naomi. Ano ba yung order mo?
Barbie donut.
Waiting. It's your boy, Randy boy. Oh boy, ano, ayos na? Umuusok ka na. Igilid mo para di umusok. Tingnan. Dumating na kami. Oh, inasal na inasal ah. Yan, inasal talaga siya. Wow. Okay, yun oh, luto na boys and girls. Saan na yun? Ay, ito pala yung tong. Yan. Binabad kasi siya sa toyo. Kaya itim yung kulay niya. Pero feeling ko okay na to. Yan. Ngayon, kung hindi naman siya okay, edi ibalik natin, di ba? Let's do this. Oops. Okay, sir. Bakit?
Nahulog siya.
Oh my dear. Kaya nagtahulan sila. Oh, make space. Okay, kain na. What's up boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy. Dito kami ngayon sa may Lusopit Community Center at yan, Alberta Day ngayon boys and girls. August 31 ano. At bukas Labor Day, September 1. Pero bago yun, may maliit na event dito. So pupuntahan namin kasi
Tapos napunta na kami dito. Tapos napunta kami na yan dito ulit.
ganun ba? Ayan, nagpunta na daw kami rito. And then ngayon pumunta ulit kami rito dahil may mga, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, Alberta Day and event. So yan, tara, samahan nyo kami.
Uy, kuya, nagpili din mga ano.
Oh, di ba?
Dapat nandan ako scooter ko eh.
At may mga kasama po tayo dito, mga Filipino community rin. Yan. Kamusta po? God bless po, God bless. Ate, hello! Hello po. Any help? Hi po.
Why? We're just gonna put that.
Hi, Randy boy. Hi, I'm good.
Are you vlogging?
Yes po.
Hello, vlog. Welcome to our guys.
Ayan, ready na ba ang...
Oh, we are ready.
Yeah, there you go. Ayan, oh. Sakto pala ang damit ko, nakaganto rin ako. Naka-printed din ako. May isang bata dito. Gusto maglaro. Ayun oh, may mga ganyan kasi inflatables. Pero alam ko na yun, mamaya, baka mamaya mo, malay mo libre. Diba? Tara, doon muna tayo. Oo, try natin muna mamaya. At nagdatingan na ang ating mga Pilipina na ng Rocky Mountain. Hello po! Shout out!
Shout out Philippines.
Yes! Hi na! Hello tita! Hi there! You know? What? 4? For what? Emergencies, right?
If you're in trouble, if something's happening bad, you call that number, right?
Right. Yeah, later you can see what's inside the truck. Alright. Now what's inside?
7 trucks.
Seat.
7 trucks in our
Wow. Alright. Ito yung itsura nung... Ito yung bagong fire truck na Yomi. Tapos ito yung ganito yung itsura ng mga fire truck. Di ba sa cartoons ganito? Di ba? Tingnan mo yung loob. Sayang ka, dali. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan. Ready? 1, 2.
Init na upuan.
Mainit, leather kasi. Diba? Ano yan, Kuya Ross? Oh. Hindi niya kita.
Wow!
Ayun yung mga house. Mamaya papamigay nila yan for sure. Mga frisbee yan, frisbee. Maganda to, Ross, frisbee. Marunong ka ba nito?
Malurong ako.
Ito yung search and rescue nila na sasakyan.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me up on the soccer field? Can you hear me at the gazebo?
Yan, simula na.
All right, I want to welcome. The creation of the Community Events Committee was an idea that was brought forward to Council in the spring of 2024. Town Council recognized the need for community events to bring the people of Rocky Mountain House together, to strengthen our community culture, and to celebrate the great place we live.
Hello everyone, I'm Randy from the Filipino community, and I'm glad to be here to celebrate with you guys. This is my first time here, and these lovely ladies just invited me. So again, please, I'm sorry for my voice because I'm not a singer, so I'm just here because I'd love to celebrate with you guys again. And to start, I'd love to sing a song with you guys titled Nothing is Impossible. So if you know the song, please join me. Nothing is impossible to you. Blind eyes are open, strongholds are broken. I'm living my faith. Nothing is impossible. Come on, do you believe that nothing is impossible? Amen. Yes, amen. Right? Well, if you believe, I believe in you. All right, this is from Joshua, beautiful in my eyes. So, all of you guys is beautiful in my eyes. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. Ever more beautiful in my eyes. The passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes.
And the Karinyusa is a Philippine folk dance that symbolizes a romantic courtship through affectionate and like that romantic dance. To perform another song while waiting for our dancers to finish.
I wish I had that kind of body to move, right? All right. I hope you like this song. Lock and load and turn the lights down low. Put some music that is soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Lock and load and turn the lights down low. Put some music that is soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Ain't nobody ever loved me the way that. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong?
Yan, kuha tayo ng ano dito, ng burger.
Free lang to, diba?
Free lang yan. Ang dami, oh. Babylon.
You will have to do your own modification.
Yes. Yay! Kay Kuya Ross. Wala pa.
Happy Alberta Day.
Happy Alberta Day, boys and girls. Hot dog. Free hot dog. Happy Alberta Day, boys and girls.